The Choice Hotels Rewards program offers travelers an exceptional way to earn and redeem points on their stays. With over 7,000 locations, it's incredibly accessible. Benefits include exclusive discounts, member-only promotions, and the ability to earn points not just through stays, but also through various retail partnerships. Joining the Choice Hotels Rewards program provides numerous benefits, including the ability to earn points on every stay. Members enjoy exclusive discounts rates and access to special promotions, ensuring they get the most value during their travels while maximizing rewards for future bookings and experiences. Signing up for the Choice Hotels Rewards program is simple and convenient. Travelers can register online through the Choice Hotels website or mobile app, filling out a quick form. Alternatively, in-person registration is available at any Choice Hotels location, ensuring that everyone can easily become a member. Members of the Choice Hotels Rewards program can earn points by staying at participating hotels, with bonus points during promotions. Additionally, points can be accrued through partnerships with airlines and car rental companies, as well as through shopping at select retail partners, maximizing every dollar spent. Redeeming points in the Choice Hotels Rewards program offers members flexibility. Points can be used for free nights, gift cards, or even unique experiences. However, it's important to note that there may be blackout dates, availability limits, and different point requirements depending on the reward, so plan accordingly. Choice Hotels Rewards program features several tier levels, including Member, Gold, and Platinum, each offering escalating benefits. To achieve higher tiers, members must accumulate points through stays. Increased tiers provide rewards like complimentary upgrades, late checkout, and dedicated customer service, enhancing the overall travel experience. To maximize rewards with the Choice Hotels Rewards program, book during promotional periods to earn bonus points. Utilize the mobile app for last-minute deals and combine stays with partner services for double points. Always plan early and consider using points for weekend stays to stretch your rewards further. In conclusion, the Choice Hotels Rewards program offers diverse benefits for travelers, from earning and redeeming points to enjoying tiered privileges. We encourage viewers to share their experiences with the program. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and insights to enhance your future journeys.